Matter, 5 great mobile games under 50 megabytes. Perfect for those who don't have space. Hello, friends. Is your phone running low on space? But you want to play our game, right? Today's video brings you 5 mobile games that can give you a great experience even if you have less than 50 megabytes. Technorat 1. Dr. Driving, key 12 megabytes. Dr. Driving is a game that gives you a great thrill from the driving experience despite having a small MB. It has simple controls, real traffic driving feel, and lots of missions. You can improve your driving skills through special tasks like parking, fuel efficiency. There is even an online play option so you can challenge your friends. No lag, very good for low-end phones. Low MB, but lots of fun. Two, 2048, 3 megabytes. 2048 is an addictive puzzle game that challenges the brain. 2, 4, 8. You have to make the number 2048 by placing tiles on tiles like this. Even though it's an easy-looking game, your brain has to work hard when you play it a little. There are almost no ads, no lag. A perfect game to sharpen your math skills. A real example of low MB, high value. 3, Stick War, Legacy, Sharksy 35 megabytes. This is for those who like action plus strategy. You lead a stickman army here. You have to control a country, make a strategy, and defeat some enemies. You can upgrade troops, capture castles. The fact that the game can be played offline is also a big plus point. With smooth controls, creative animations, and a fighting feel, this is only 35 megabytes. Even though it's a light game, it has a lot of content. Skyfighters 3D, 40 megabytes. Do you like jet fighter games? Skyfighters 3D is a new airplane fighting game with 3D graphics. Here you fly a jet and fight through enemy planes. The control system is simple plus smooth. There are features like realistic sound effects, dynamic weather changes. There are a lot of missions. You can play offline. The MB is small, but the thrill is big. Five. Mecharama, Shaktosh 5 megabytes. This is a relaxing puzzle game. With a very low MB, a small robot is brought through a maze. Cute graphics, relaxing music, and smart thinking are what you need in this game. Since there are many levels, the challenge increases day by day. You can play offline. It is also very good for kids. Small game, big brain workout. You guys try it yourself. Even though the space is small, the fun is not small. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.